To do this fall in love again and again trend, first open Instagram. Now go to story and add a photo you want to use for this trend in your story. Now adjust the photo according to you and then add fall in love again and again text. This text is given in my description, so if you want you can copy from there. Now adjust the text over your photo so that it covers the whole screen. Now, after doing all this, save the photo. Now go back and add this saved photo in your story. Now go to stickers, click on cutout, choose the photo, and it will remove the background from your photo. Now add this photo over the photo. Adjust it so that it looks perfect. Now after doing all this, save the photo, and now you're ready to share wherever you want. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.